Now, after we got all these screws out, that's how you get to this volume button, hazard switch thingamabob. That is, I guess, the part number. 2 T20s, 3 actually. Yeah, look at that. This little thing right here is 3 T20s. So, I'm not going to take it out. Do I have to? No, right? Come listen to my podcast. Let's come on this side and pretend this is all back together, because it is. Everything overlaps. Gotta love it. So, behind door number 1, okay, glove box is out, but that's irrelevant. So, you can go in and pull this door out, okay? Now, you got a ton of screws you're gonna have to get to. Alright? Now, one of them is make sure you pull this out at you. Look, you got 4 clips holding it in, so you got to make sure firmly at you so it don't break. It sort of comes slight angle toward you. Safe place. Now, the screw right there, I took out already. Now, what I was doing was just prying and playing and pulling, and I found that this pops off. All right, yeah! All clips after that one screw. All right, yeah! Now, we got plenty of screws after that. We got 1, 2, look at this, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I took out. Now, I'm wondering if you had to pull the glove box out. It doesn't look it. Yes you do. Yes you do. You gotta be kidding me, dude. All right, so 1, 2, 3 screws I already took out, and 1 over here at 4. All right, and the glove box literally just falls in your hand. They're all T20s, all of them. All right, all T20s. So yes, everything's overlapped in these cars nowadays, and I hate it. So you gotta get this guy out. So yes, you gotta pull the glove box out. Now, pull this out of your way. Okay. Now, let's turn this back down because there's nothing playing anyway. Fine. I got it out. So there you have it. After a fresh battery, the third T20's going back in. Now just line it back up, obviously, and let's go put the screws back, put the glove box back. I never showed you how to do, but I showed you. It's only 4 screws doing it, and you pull it down, you put it right back up. Oh, have fun aligning those plastics, by the way. Oh, it's fun. So, bottom just goes right in. It just, you gotta, let me show you. So not only do you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this has got to go get tucked in there. You have to align all of these. It's so fun. Let me know how you make out. Oh, look. No way. Dude. No. I sat here for like 20 minutes the last time playing with this thing. And look how easy it just went back in. No, that's not right. I should have videotaped it before. Not but a struggle. Put the screws back and put it back where how you found it. Pissing me off. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.